Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to go over an old topic that we've discussed way back in the past, auger engine maintenance. So at this time of the year we're starting to finally get cold for some winter, I think. We probably should go through and drain your fuel tank, and then you can get a service pack from the guys that has a new air filter and an oil filter. You can put some low temperature oil in there. You should go over your battery connections to make sure that your starter's working well. Make sure that your cold weather pipe is hooked up so that it's drawing warm air through the muffler. Just a few of those little quick maintenance tips. You know, it might take you an hour or two to get that all done. But if you get one of those kits from the parts guys, then when you've got to haul grain, you can just go out and turn the key and away your machine will go. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.